Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Match account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Match account, firstly open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Match login or match.com login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Match account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Match account and tap on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Match account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.